Importers and manufacturers of electrical products will benefit greatly if they fill in the details of their products in the electrotechnical product database, familiarly known as the electrical numbers, a service by STK Association. This will enable them to be included in the product ranges of wholesalers. It also helps products to stand out and end up in the electrical contractor's shopping basket. The electrical numbers service already contains detailed information for more than 600,000 electrotechnical products in a concentrated digital database, and it is used by the whole construction supply chain. STK's expert Jarmo gives tips to new users on how to get started and walks you through 3 different ways to add products into the service.
The first contact is made by calling us or by email. You will then receive instructions by email. First, we add company data, product brands and series, and number range for your products. This will be done together with an STK expert. The groundwork is now completed. The most efficient way to get your products to the service is to add several products at once by using an Excel sheet. Download the Excel template from STK's website. Fill in at least the columns highlighted in dark blue. Then submit the file to STK and we upload the product data into the service. After that, anyone with your company ID can add products to the service. You can create a user account by filling in the form on the login page via the link that says Get a username. In the future, you can add products one by one. This is easily achieved by copying a similar product card from your portfolio. Replace the applicable product information and save it as a new product. Products can be added this way on mobile as well. The third option is to fill in the product card from scratch. Mandatory information fields are highlighted with an asterisk. You can always add additional details later. Let's review. Initial service implementation is always done in cooperation with STK. The easiest way to add multiple products to the Sähkönumerot service is to use Excel. Single products can be added easily by copying an existing product card.
We regularly organize free electrical numbers tutorials led by our expert Jarmo. You can find the dates on the training sessions at our website electrotechnical.fi. Company-specific onboarding is also free of charge for member companies. You can always contact us on product information affairs. We're happy to help.